What is parallelepiped and how to find its volume? These are the playing cards. We form the shape of parallelepiped. First, just a minute. This way. Now this way. Here the cards are rectangle, shape of rectangle, but we can make cards having the shape of parallelogram. So this is the special case of parallelepiped. Suppose this one is vector A, this one is vector B, this one is C. Again I am repeating. This side is vector A. This is the origin. This one is vector B. This one is vector C. So the shape is defined using three vectors A, B and C. We want to find the area of this parallelepiped. So the figure is symmetric. So we can use the theme area of base into height. But here the base is having the shape rectangle. But we can make parallelogram type shape also. And the formula holds. Here the figure, this one is vector A, this one is vector B, and this one is vector C. This one. We want to find the volume of this parallelepiped. So for this area of base, this one, into height, it is the projection of vector C on this line, dotted line. This one is vector A, this one is vector B, and this one is vector C. Here A, B and C. So volume of this parallelepiped is area of base into height. Area of parallelogram formed by A and B, these two, into projection, height is nothing but the projection of C in the direction of this, and it is the direction of A cross B, A bar cross B bar. So projection of C, vector C on A bar cross B bar. Parallelogram, so it is the double of area of this triangle, one of the triangle. So 2 times half into area of base, half into base into altitude. And here the altitude is the projection of B, projection. Sorry, B का ये component, this one, that is B sin theta. So if we use the geometry of the triangle, sin theta is what? The opposite side upon hypotenuse. So B sin theta is this height for the triangle. So half area of base, sorry, base into altitude, and into projection of vector C on A bar cross B bar. So how can we find projection of any vector on another vector? So here projection of vector A on B. So for example, we can take vector A and vector B. We want to find the projection of vector A along the direction of B. So draw the perpendicular foot in the direction of B. Say M, P is the end point of vector B. We require OM, which is the projection of A on B. And it is from the geometry of the figure, mod A cos theta. So mod A cos theta by 1. Multiplying both numerator and denominator by mod B. So mod A into mod B cos theta upon mod B. But this one is A dot B according definition. So equal to A dot B upon mod B. But we require positive value. So here we are taking modulus. So projection of vector C on A bar cross B bar. So it is vector C dot a bar cross b bar upon mod of a bar cross b bar. Simplifying this, 2 cut out, so mod a bar mod b bar sin theta, it is the modulus of a bar cross b bar into c bar dot a bar cross b bar upon mod of a bar cross b bar. A bar cross b bar cut out, so finally we have modulus of c bar dot a bar cross b bar, and it is denoted as box product of vector c bar, a bar and b bar, like this, c bar, a bar, b bar. We get the volume of parallelepiped.